Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can add a second hard drive to your computer. The one I have here, which I built not long ago, I put in one 250 GB SSD, and I'll be adding another of the same type, which is the Evo there that you can see, the Samsung 860 Evo, another 250 SSD. So I'll unplug my computer. I'll flip it over to the back side of it so we can access where the one is, and we'll get started. Okay, so here's the back of our computer. I'm going to be removing the cover here. So depending on the case that you have to do that. So I'll take my two screws here on the back cover. So there is our the original one installed. I'm going to be adding another one like that, of course. You will need a SATA cable as well as mounting hardware for it. So depending on what you have, make sure you have all that stuff. Since we have already one installed, we're going to be using the other cable that goes with it for power. So I'll just cut that zip tie over so I can mount the other one here. So I'll be mounting the new one right in this spot right here. Again, depending on what you're installing, whether it's this one or the 2.5 inch that goes to the bottom, you might need to rerun some wires. Our SATA cable here will go from the one side. I should be able to feed it through the side here and onto the motherboard. But anyways, let me remove this one here. Let me remove the zip tie so I can gain access to the back here, and we'll mount it on. Okay, so I got my panel off here. As you can see, I did undid a zip tie there, and I placed the new drive, which is this one, just like the original one. And as I mentioned, I'll be using the piggyback power connector for it, so that'll go right there. And I'll grab out my SATA cable, plug it to the other side of it, feed it through there, and onto the motherboard. So that's how you can do that one. This one actually even has a third slot if I want to add another SSD if I really wanted to. But that being, those two 250s should work. So now I will go and connect that one to it. I can get it to line up properly. So there's that one. That one's on there. I'll grab my SATA cable and connect the one end to it. I guess at this point it's not going to matter which one I use, which end. So here, there's our SATA cable that goes to the motherboard. So I'll feed this one through here, through the opening there for the motherboard. I'll mount this back on, we'll flip it over, and I'll show you where I'll be connecting it to the motherboard. Okay, so this is the inside of my case now, where I'll show you where to connect it. So my first hard drive is up here on my SATA 1. I'll use my SATA 2 for my second one. So I fed my wire through the bottom there. I'm just gonna go over and connect it to the one slot. So there's the second one. That's where that one is gonna sit. So now that I got that plugged in, I'll go to the back, redo my panels there, make sure my wires are secured in place, and then I'll plug everything back in, and we'll boot it up, and we'll set it up. Okay, so there I got all my cables plugged in, set that to where I want them, so they're not gonna get pinched or pushed or pulled anywhere. So now I'll put my cover back on before we go and start plugging things in, and then make sure everything will work the way it should. So always make sure you're doing that so you don't have too much things going on and nothing will fit to where you want it. Alright, so I got the hard drive in there now. Everything's up and running as it should, and I'll show you my two hard drives now. So I've got the that one there, which is my C, which is the one I originally installed in it, and now my SSD2, which is the one we just installed. If you want to learn how to set it up properly after you install it, I'll link description, or I'll post the link in the description down below, and you can learn how to do it, because I didn't know how to do it either. So anyways, I'll post everything there, and that's how you install a new or another hard drive onto your computer. Any questions, comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.